I've wanted to do a video comparing the different modes for a while, and with the help of editing and my two buddies, Lawnmower Friend and Weed Eater, I think I can get it done. These are a little bit more than 6 feet for these two, and then that one's almost exactly 6 foot by a little more than 25 feet. So I kind of measured them out and got them evened out. So we'll give it a go, and if the editing doesn't work, I'll put a timer up. Well, I'm not sure exactly how that turned out, but they all missed a little bit for different reasons. This stuff's tough, but pushed the lawnmower too far. That probably did the worst. But they all mow, and I am not sure exactly how quickly, but I feel like they're pretty even. But maybe not. We'll see.